I've been really inventive today, but I don't know if the judges will like it or not. I mean, my dish is kind of crazy. I just hope I haven't gone too far.
Oh, big pineapple sausage roll.
Pineapple and crab curry.
Yes. Beautiful.
Nice.
There were 23 ingredients in David's crab and pineapple curry. Now, let's see what you can do with the same ingredients. Because today, you don't have to cook a Thai dish. And it's up to you what you want to cook.
We can cook anything we like today, and it's a good and bad thing. You've got a lot of ingredients to choose from, but that can also sort of muddy your ideas.
You know, I want to try to be inventive. I want to play with ingredients and, you know, styles of cuisine that I'm not usually as familiar with. So I'm making a roasted pineapple roti with kaffir lime and lemongrass ice cream. I love roti. It's one of my favourite things to eat. Normally you would just serve it with a savoury dish, but I want to be creative today, so I'm doing a dessert.
Tamara, please tell
Hi.
me, how are you making a roti? Are you going to slap it and stretch it and do all that type of thing?
I can't do the fancy flipping, but
No,
I
can't either.
just do
Yes.
the manual stretch.
That's good, I like it.
David Thompson, he's the master of roti, and I really want to impress him.
I've had a couple of shots at immunity already and fell just short, so I really want to be up there again and fight for it. I'm making spiced pineapple cake with a kaffir lime and palm sugar ice cream. I've found my groove in the competition cooking dessert, so hopefully I can continue that today. Making a mess. It's a pretty simple dish, so each element has to be perfect. I think I just need a palm sugar in it as well. It's taking way longer than I thought to get this unglazed base right. I really got to get a move on, otherwise it's going to be a very tight cook.
Today I'm making a lemongrass ice cream with a coconut shortbread.
At the moment I'm making my coconut shortbread. The ice cream is on at the moment.
It's looking really, really good, but I need to incorporate a little bit more sweetness into my dish. Today I want to show the judges that I can do desserts. I've just got to push myself, you know, this might be the one opportunity I get to show that. So I decided to grab some pineapple.
So I'm going to caramelise some pineapple as well, just for a bit of freshness.
The pineapple has got the acidity, it's going to cut through everything, and I think it'll really take it to the next level.
15 minutes to go, 15 minutes.
Today I'm making nutmeg rice pudding with a pineapple and coconut water gelato. And to me, that seems to sing and work really well together as a flavour combination.
Just want to really hero these couple of elements.
I check my gelato. It's at a beautiful consistency, so I go to check on my rice pudding.
Oh, yeah.
Something has gone very wrong. I know how high the stakes are, and I can't afford to be in that bottom three. I need to fix this. So I take my rice pudding and I fold some whipped cream through it so I can start trying to aerate it. I need to make it as light as possible.
I'm frying the roti and it comes hot out of the pan. Now all I've got to do is do that classic clap of the roti. I'm ready to put it on the plate.
Time's flying. 2 minutes to go. Come on.
My cakes probably need another 5 minutes in the oven, but I'm going to have to get them out. The first cake I try and remove from the tin just falls apart. My second cake hasn't come out of the tin properly and I'm feeling pretty deflated. I've got one cake left and I have to go with that if I even want to put up a dish.
10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Your time's up. Tell us what the dish is.
I've made roasted pineapple roti with a kaffir lime and lemongrass ice cream, and I've done a chili caramel.
Do you want to dress it?
I want lots.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Good call.
I like the fact that it's been smashed up. I think it's fun, but the roti And the success of a roti is in its crispness and its taste. The roti is delicious. The sauce is nice. I'd order it.
Thank you.
David would order it. We'd finish it before he got a shoe in, I reckon. I love a roti when when it's cooked, it comes out of the pan and you kind of crunch it all up and you get those little flaky chunks. Delicious.
Yeah, this is a cracking dish. It's beautiful.
Thank you so much. I'm just feeling so elated with the feedback. I'm just ecstatic.
Next up, Pete.
I've been really inventive today, but I don't know if the judges will like it or not. I mean, my dish is kind of crazy. I just hope I haven't gone too far.
Oh, big pineapple sausage roll. So what's the ice cream in the syrup?
So with my pineapple sausage roll, I've got a roasted coconut ice cream and it's a bit of caramel sauce.
It's a very delightful, agreeable dish.
Thanks, Dave.
For a sausage roll.
It's inventive. I've never seen a pineapple sausage roll before.
I love it when I'm wrong. I accept that I'm wrong, and I love the fact that you nailed it, because that is absolutely delicious. It's a beautiful, flaky, buttery pastry, with that soft caramelised pineapple, simple caramel, and it does what it's supposed to do. Puts a smile on your face.
Thanks, Dave.
Ooh, top three, maybe.
I couldn't be happier. This could be my ticket to the top three. I think I've kicked a sausage roll.
How's that for positive feedback? Huh?
I know that it's not a good dish and I'm a little bit embarrassed by it compared to a lot of the other food I've put up so far.
What's the dish?
Tell us about it.
I've cooked a spiced pineapple cake with a kaffir lime ice cream.
It's like my grandmother's cooking.
The cake's not right, and we knew that when we came and saw you. It was still cooking it with 10 minutes to go.
Sam, the 8 years of MasterChef history are littered with really, really good cooks who go home because they cook 2 bad dishes in a row. This is your one. Don't let there be another one to follow.
I'm not at all surprised by what they're saying, but it still feels pretty brutal. It's the worst cook I've had in this kitchen and just about the first negative feedback I've got, so it hurts.
Next up, Jess.
I like to do interesting things with flavours that people wouldn't expect, and I just hope the judges love this dish. I can't afford to be in that bottom 3 going into a pressure test tomorrow.
Jess, what did you cook?
Nutmeg rice pudding with a pineapple coconut water gelato.
So how do you feel about this dish?
I really, really love the flavours.
Sure.
I know this dish is relying on my unexpected flavour combinations and whether the judges will like that.
The tastes are just meh.
I like the rice pudding. I like the hit of nutmeg. But for me, the flavour of gelato and rice pudding, they kind of clash. They don't reinforce each other. There's something funky going on there that and not funky in a good way.
You're not afraid to give us bold flavours. You've got to just go for it.
Yeah.
That is not right. There's something happening with the flavour combinations there that tastes weird. Thanks, Jess.
Thank you.
Last dish we'd like to taste, Ben.
I look down at my dish and I can't believe I did it. I don't do desserts, it looks great, and I'm really stoked.
Ben, what's the dish?
Lemongrass ice cream on a smashed coconut shortbread with caramelised pineapple.
Have you cooked many desserts so far?
No.
Well, what do you reckon, David?
The presentation looks great.
I haven't seen you present food like this, so I'm really happy for you.
You know already, don't you? You can taste it, you can see it, you can feel it. It's a very well-crafted, considered dish.
I love the caramelised pineapple. The ice cream technically is pretty close to perfect. It's got a beautiful texture, it's well tempered, soft, it's delicious. Some of my favourite desserts are all about the ice cream. And for me, this is absolutely all about the ice cream, and you nailed it.
David, in top 5 in a mystery box? I mean, top 3 in Invention Test? You have just taken a huge leap in this competition. Well done.
Well done, Ben.
Well done, Ben.